Hey, it's
Hi.
Philip and Tasha. Hey, we're going to show you this beautiful home.
Yes.
What is the name of this neighborhood?
Sonoma Ridge.
Sonoma Ridge. This is a resale property.
Mm-hmm.
It's a beautiful home. I can't wait to show it to you.
Yes, and we're in Silverhill.
Silverhill.
Mm-hmm.
That's a little bit different, isn't it?
It is.
All right, well, come along. We're going to show you this one. This home is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home, and it's something special. So we'll go in the front door here, and I can't wait to show it to you. Let's see if we can find Tasha in here.
I can see. So check this out. Isn't this beautiful?
Oh, that's some nice granite.
Mm-hmm.
Nice undermount sink.
Yeah.
Look at these pendant lights. Those are nice.
Mm-hmm. I like all the glammy gold touches.
Oh yeah, it's got nice gold hardware.
Mm-hmm. And then there's flecks of gold in the green.
Let's take a look at that. Yeah.
So we've done a video on this floor plan before.
Yeah?
Uh-huh. You know which floor plan it is?
I'm thinking here. The Trillium?
Yeah,
Yeah.
This is the Trillium. It's a
Wow.
DSLD home.
And this one is a couple years old?
Yes. So this is a resale. It's an established neighborhood. They're not building here anymore.
Okay.
Yeah, it's beautiful. It's really dressed up.
Oh, nice backyard.
So since it's the DSLD, it has all the wooden shelving.
Yeah.
And the light.
Go in and take a look at that.
Yeah, it's a nice pantry.
Hey, these are much better than the wire shelving that we've seen. DSLD does a nice job.
Mm-hmm. Yes, they do. And they did this nice accent wall.
Nice chandelier too.
Oh yeah. Hi. So here's the accent wall continues.
This must be the primary.
Yes. And the tray ceiling with the crown molding on the insert.
So that accent wall is an add-on.
Yeah.
This is something that the homeowner had done.
Mm-hmm. And then there's the ensuite. This is very nice. Have the large vanity with the dual sinks.
Hey, that matches the kitchen, doesn't it?
Yes.
You can see some of that gold flake
Uh-huh.
right there. Nice poles.
Mm-hmm. Lots of storage, and then a very deep tub. I'm envious of this tub. Look how deep that is.
Wow. That's pretty nice.
Mm-hmm. And then the nice shower with the bench, and then the toilet here.
Nice. There's the closet.
Mm-hmm. Here's the closet, and then you walk through. This is a very big closet with the nice wooden shelves, and you're in the laundry room.
Hey, that's pretty handy.
Yes.
Washer
Awesome.
and dryer.
Mm-hmm.
Very nice.
And here's more storage, more shelving. And
Yep, we're making a loop
yes.
here.
We're circling around. There's the nice bench area, and then the garage.
Very nice. Hey, they've got shiplap on the wall here, don't
Yes. And we're back where we started.
they? We're back. Yep.
And so here's the other bedrooms. We have the bathroom there.
These are nice size.
Mm-hmm.
Nice size closet. Let's see here. I believe these are, yeah, these are nice reach-in size closet. Sorry about all the noise. Nice doors.
This one they have set up like a TV room, but it's a bedroom.
Hey, this is pretty cool.
And
Very good.
I like the doors. I like the archway, the detail.
Yeah, that looks nice. Let's take a look. This is your second bathroom. Very nice. Some more of that good-looking granite.
Let's check out this backyard. This is very nice.
Yeah. So this backs up to a field. Nice place to sit here and chill out. Maybe put you a fire pit.
Oh yeah, that's a great idea. That would be
A little bit of side
great
backyard
there.
here. And as you can see let's go down here and show you what's going on behind this property.
Careful.
Here's your neighbors. Yep. Hope you like looking at the field. That's what you got. Pretty nice. Fenced in backyard. There's Miss Tasha.
Yeah, this is all right. This is pretty nice.
Pretty nice. So this house is a couple years old. And they've done some upgrades on it. So if you're interested in it, get a hold of Tasha or myself. We'll be happy to show you this home.
Yeah, we can go back inside and talk. It's hot out here.
Okay.
It's humid. So this home is a trillium floor plan. It's built by DSLD. We're in Silverhill in the community Sonoma Ridge. It's a very cute community. All of the streets are named after wine. So this one is on Chenin Blanc.
Nice.
But there's also like Merlot and Chardonnay. So just different wine names in this neighborhood. And it's landscaped beautifully with a nice community pond. It's very peaceful, very beautiful. And the location is really ideal because you're about 10 miles to Fairhope, 5 miles to Robertsdale, 25 miles to the beach. So you are away from the hustle and bustle. You're in this nice community, but it's kind of out in the country. And this is listed at $319,900 maybe. The seller is motivated and it's a beautiful home. We're Philip and Tasha Smith. We are your Gulf Coast Realtors. We would love to represent you as your buyer's agent and help you move and relocate and help you find your future Gulf home in Baldwin County, Alabama.